some places feel like home even when they're not. They are the places where, when you go away and come back, it feels like you never left. For me, one of those special places is Disneyland. Commercial, yes, but deeply personal. Disneyland and I go back a long way. Birthday and Christmas trips with my cousins, good times with my friends, and representing California to me. Sometimes serious, and sometimes very, very silly. But sometimes silly is worth taking seriously. Disneyland? Seriously? Welcome to my personal Disneyland, part of my personal California. Light-hearted, extravagant, preposterous. Possibilities, unlimited. Imagination. Families. Talent, create. Playful. Traditions. Fun. Nonsensical, make-believe, whimsical, fantasy. Happy, fanciful, magic happens. Laughter, adventure. Supercalifragilistic, expialidocious. Illusion expands reality. Tomorrow, anything is possible. Anything is possible. Limitless, exhilarating, exuberant freedom. Forward into the future, onward to the stars. At the frontiers, dreams. And beyond, promises. Optimistic? Hopeful? We can do this. At least for a while.